Talombasoro.
Maybe, of course.
You won't know about there.
You know that this person is just a client to me. He's an ex.
Exactly my point. Everything about you two should be ex.
There?
Hey.
Foye. Show mo wípé iṣẹ́ ex yan lọ́dún jẹ́jú ni. Ṣó ti gbàgbé ni. Once dey there, always dey there.
This Foye guy is just your fiancé. He's not even your husband yet. Anything can happen.
Kò dìgbà tí n bá tó ka yín physically bẹ́ẹ̀ ń cheating. Nǹkan tó wà láàárín ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ó ju physical cheating lọ. It is called emotional cheating.
Ṣọ́ra àwọn ọkùnrin tó ń wò yẹn. Wọ́n jowú ju àwa obìnrin lọ.
Ṣé nǹkan wà tí ò ń jowú? Torí mi understand. Why are you bringing up your ex?
Oh, really? I have full lips. Yeah, more like our colored hairs. Wait, yeah.
This Kayode guy again? She boy is silly now.
But I can't do that now. Nítorí pé ọwọ́ mi rọ̀ sí ẹ, kò mí pé bí ọwọ́ mi ṣe rọ̀ sáwọn ọkùnrin tó kù nìyẹn.
Tinu my coco.
Bó dẹ̀ ṣe wà yẹn, mi ò ní lára. Mi ò tiẹ̀ ń trouble ẹ pẹ̀lú responsibility mi rárá ni. Do I have an income somewhere tí mo máa fall back on?
Máa ń jẹ lẹ́nu kẹ́yẹkẹ́yẹ.
Why would you check? Why are you telling me? Why would you don't tell me this nonsense?
This is a workspace for fun.
This is an office. And I do not want this conversation in my office. So at this point, I think we need to put an end to this conversation so you can take your leave.
I am ending this relationship. You can go back to your Kayode.
Foye, did you just say what you just said? When you're talking to me, talk to me with respect in the details.